The other side of the swim spa is just having it for recreation, and having a almost 3-year-old daughter. It's a lot of fun for her, and it's really good for us to be able to, play with her in the backyard. And recently we're pregnant, and so in my downtime from formal training, these days it's really centered around family, spending a lot more time with Izzy and Tim, and enjoying just being at home, which is really nice. Izzy, she's 3, and so she has a lot of energy, and it's just nice to be able to spend time with her. We definitely spend a lot of afternoons into evenings playing in the master spa with her, and it's just nice to get in there and take it in turns, watching Izzy and relaxing in the jets. So yeah, it's definitely been a really positive addition to our home.